back. I know I was gone for a bit and I just dipped out for like half a month. Well, look, I went to a trip. I went to go see my Sita in Europe, but we back and I got another custom for you. Well, more of like a little tutorial, how to, DIY, you know what it is, but also a custom. And believe me, next gonna be snapping. You're gonna have to turn back a few times. You're gonna like them. I think you're gonna like them. I'm gonna show you how to attach the Nike swoosh to any shoe, Jordan 1 really though, but this will work for any shoe. And I told you guys I was gonna do it, so here's that video. It's gonna be on the lows. And I'm gonna just go ahead and show it to you real quick so you can see what's coming. And if you're interested, you wanna watch the rest of the video, so here you go. So this is the shoe right here. Decided to switch it up a bit, do the Travis Scott reverse swoosh on that real quick, and I think it came out good. But look, I ain't gonna show it to you all, okay? And maybe you don't really care how I did it. I'm gonna do it on foot at the end of the video. If you want to just see that, go ahead and skip to the end of the video. Or you're not interested at all, go ahead and dip out. It's good. No hard feelings, all right? That's what I got for you. If you want to see that, stick around. I'm gonna be showing you. All right. Okay, they all done though. I'm excited about these. I'm about to throw them on feet. Take these feet pics for you, okay?
Ashley, come take these feet pics.
That's all she wrote. We done with this video. I'm happy with how these came out. Like these I'm keeping for myself. I'm gonna just say that straight up. Before I forget, I made the stencils for the Nike swooshes on my Cricut, and if you want to know how to do that, go ahead and drop it in the comment section and I can make a whole video just on that. And for the swoosh, I didn't actually attach it to the shoe for real, okay? I didn't sew it on there directly, but I wanted that sewing look, and I wanted to show people that you don't need to have all those fancy tools, the equipment. The sewing machine costs like thousands of dollars. Not everyone has that, and maybe not everyone wants to like customize shoes that seriously. Maybe they just want to like dip their toes in it, just try it out one time. This is where they can do that. You don't need all that expensive equipment. This is just one other option. I hope you guys liked it. I hope that it was useful. Video is still coming. They rolling again, okay? I had a brief delay, a little pause, but we right back on it. I'm gonna keep it going. Maybe switch up these videos too, cause why not? Oh snap, and we still got the giveaway going. Look, it's been delayed, okay? But trust the giveaway is coming, and I'm gonna hook you guys up with a pair of shoes. Look, take care of yourself, treat yourself to a nice meal. I'm gonna see you in the next one.